to the channel, boys. We got a lot going on today. We are headed out to the shop to get the SVE Mesh wheels for Project 4 to 8. And we got to buy tires, get them mounted, and get the car on the ground. Let's go! Alright, boys, we are at the shop. Let's grab these wheels, see what's up. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we've got 2 tires. I've got to buy 2 more, and then of course here's the wheels. These bad boys loaded up, good to go. Alright, guys, and you already know if you've been following the build, got, of course, the brand new SVE hot mesh wheels. These are going to look so freaking sick. We're going to do a 275/40 on the rear and a 245/45 on the front. I was going to go a little lower, but we didn't lower the car and like a whole lot, so I don't want there to be a lot of gaps, so we're just going to go that route. And I think it should be good. But we've got 2 8s and 2 9s, so obviously the 9s get the, there's the 9s there. So yeah, those are the 8s, so those are 2 8s. So all right, boys, we're good. All right, let's go ahead. Get her all shut up. Guys, if you have not seen here on the channel, because you've been slacking and you haven't been watching the videos, we did drive for the very first time the Viper Blue car, and so Dover's doing a little tweaking on everything, just making sure everything's perfect. I think we had one tailpipe that wasn't exactly perfect, so looks like that's what he's messing with now. But anyway, guys, we got to get to King Tire and get these wheels and tires mounted so we get back, put them on the car. I'm dying to see what it looks like. Let's go. Right, let's do it. Dying to see these wheels on 4 to 8. It's gonna look ridiculous. Alrighty, boys, we are just about to King Tire. Guys, I gotta shout out my buddy Ryan and JT at King Tire. They always freaking take good care of me and get me in, and they got epic prices. So if you're anywhere in West Tennessee, check out the boys at King Tire. Not a paid product placement, guys. They're just super good. They do a good job. I appreciate that. So we are here to get these wheels unloaded. See if we can't find GT. Boys, they are always slammed here, but never fail to get me in. Hey, we didn't lose anything. All right, let's get inside, get these things, get them going. All right, boys, and just like that, wheels and tires are mounted. Get these bad boys loaded up. All right, those look good. I'll grab these other ones. All right, boys, there they are. Looking freaking good. Let's get these things back to the shop. Get these freaking back, guys. I'm telling you, these look so good. I'm dying to get these on the freaking car. And I think the tire size is perfect. It's gonna be kind of meaty, but yeah, let me get these things unloaded. All right, guys, and through the power of editing, but mostly because it's freaking freezing out here and my nose won't stop running. But guys, hold on. They're on. Now bear in mind, all of the drivetrain is not in the car, so it's not sitting at ride height, and like there's a lot of things missing that's going to bring the ride height down. But brand new hot mesh wheels, brand new tires, guys. Okay, without further ado, there sits 4 to 8. And again, it's got a lot of weight that's got to get in to bring it down. Eyebox springs, so you know it's coming down. But guys, I'm just, let's see. This car has its own personality. It really does. It's literally like nothing else. We took everything. See, at first, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a sidebar. At first, we were doing this car, it was gonna be a completely stock restoration. And the more I read your comments, the more we thought about it. We're like, why? This car has been built completely from a shell in front of a live audience, basically. It needs personality. It needs to stand out. Like, this thing needs to pull into a show and everybody's like, holy crap, there's Project 4 to 8. And so that's what we did. That's what we're doing, essentially. And I'm gonna tell you, I couldn't be happier with this. And yes, it does need an alignment. And like I said, it's not at ride height yet. But it's got its own personality. This is 4 to 8, and it will always be 4 to 8. And I honestly, and this kind of goes away from, and I know I'm rambling, guys. I know that this kind of goes away from how I typically do things as far as building a car. But this is what people want to see. They want something that is not like everything else, period. All right, guys, so I want you to look at how good the fitment is. Right on it. It's perfect. Like, these are 275s on the back, 245s in the front, and the fitment is absolutely perfect. I mean, they freaking nailed it. You can see kind of from the back. But this thing going down the road, and again, it's gonna come down. This thing going down the road, though, I mean, it's gonna have such a unique presence. Look at this thing. Of course, the 245s up front. It's perfect. I could not be freaking happier with how these look and fit. It's a new wheel. Very few people have them out there. I know you see them a lot because me and Brutal have them, but really and truly, when you're gonna hit the show scene this spring, 2021, very few people have these. And guys, this car has taught me as much as anything about being creative, about doing it, just doing it different, you know, doing what nobody else is doing. And not that nobody else has done anything, patina or whatever, crazy wheels or whatever, but It's just not like everything else. No one's going to mistake this for any other car but Project 4 to 8, and that is a 100% fact. All right, guys, so again, I had to cut inside because my nose is freaking running, but if I could tell you anything about building a car, it's, you know, and I go back to Matt Heimer's car at Foxtoberfest. There was a lot of really nice cars, and they're all nice in their own right. He did something very different, and he won 5 or 6 awards. It's just not that you have to, you know, what I want you to do is I want you to put your own spin on it. Now, there's a difference between being creative and being tacky. There's a very fine line there, but doing things that are different. And I've posted up pictures before of other patina cars like Tim Foreman, and he's got a 4. His name escapes me, I'm sorry. But there's several cars. They have different colored body panels. They've got wheels that most people don't have. Like the interior, like they've done like plaid, and it's just, it's still in taste, but it's so refreshing to see something unique. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you, my red car, it's not unique. Sure, it has a coyote. I did the red seat because I'm trying to get it to outside of my box. I wanted to do black or gray, but I was like, we're going to do red. You know, so I'm trying to, I know what I like to post when I see something different, like on my Instagram page or on my Facebook page. I'm like, you know, if that's what I like to see, that's what everybody else likes to see, why am I not doing it that way? So just a little food for thought, guys. Put your own spin, your own touch, and you know, just do it your way. Stand out from the crowd a little bit, and you know, you inspire other people. You give other people ideas on how to do their car or something that they may not have thought of, and that's what the hobby's about. That makes it great. Uniqueness, difference, changes, ideas. That's what make all of this great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Big update for 4 to 8 coming in the next couple of videos. It won't be long. I'll just tell you that. And I hate to see it go, but it looks great, and I can't wait to give it away. So big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Lots coming. Trust me. Later.